Oh my god.
We're at the very important building, guys. And there's a pond. Exotic animals. And as you would know in our last video about the construction site, there's a lot of valuables. Oh, there's a box over here. Back and forth. Stuff that we might need. Frickin' A! I'm gonna frickin' blow it off! Oh, look at that! Look at that! What is it?
What is it?
I think I killed it. Oh, my foot's trapped in it! Sorry, Buddy tried to attack me, so I dodged it, and he got hurt. I guess that's what's happened to how to do that.
Tim, you hurt me.
Okay, let's go over here. I think that's something important.
You hurt me. Ow.
He's going to attack me. It's karate, I think it is. Okay, we're gonna go.
That idiot. I can't even.
On.
What?
Ooh, they paved it. I feel important.
Go up here.
Climb it. Climb it up there. We're gonna climb this up to there. Go, go, go. You first. I have the camera. I'm coming right up there. There's a hole in the ceiling, and I think that Superman busted out of there. What? Ooh. Okay, you go up. I'll come right up behind you. Okay, we're gonna go up there now.
So weird, guys.
This is weird because we're way up here on the yellow thing,
and
and
we die.
that's supposed to be.
Walk across here because
Let's walk across, guys.
we we'll fall
Yeah, we could fall apparently.
and we could die.
Okay, we could die apparently.
Hurt.
Seriously hurt or something. I think.
Let's go.
Oh, there's something on the lenses. There's always something on the lenses. There you go. Go across. Just crawl. It's metal. I believe metal that supports to support you or something.
But
Where are you going?
but if it's metal and it can support you, why'd it fall?
It didn't
It's the
fall.
World Trade Center.
It didn't.
That was metal.
This is not a big airplane. We're not big airplanes. He's a
Those are towers above the ground, idiot.
he's metal size, so we're just not gonna go up there, I guess. Unless Aaron can get the scoop. Oh, there's someone over there. There's a truck. Where? I think we heard a truck or something. So now we're over here, and yeah, we gotta go. So.